You know what day it is and what I got. This week, an early 1940s Astatic Biscuit, Model 30 Biscuit, brown body, chrome grille. Check this bad boy out. Really good shape on this one. The original crystal not in good shape, but I replaced it with a new old stock Japanese crystal element. Cherry picked this one again for a great output and a great tone. And this biscuit's in really good shape for the age, especially with the chrome grille, which is super cool. A lot of people find these easier to hold because they're not quite as big. They're about the same circumference as a 200 Astatic or a Shure green bullet, but a lot smaller, obviously, as you can see. Check this bad boy out here. Stay safe, stay healthy on this Microphone Monday.